Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix mobile data not working on Realme in 2026. The first thing that you can try and do is simply head over to your quick settings on your device and toggle airplane mode on and off on your device and check for mobile data again. If the issue still persists, what you can do is long press on the power button on your device. After that, what you can try and do is power off your device, take a SIM card out of your SIM tray on your device, boot your device back up, and then place the SIM back into the SIM tray and check again. If the issue still persists, what you can also try and do is head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, what you can try and do is head over to additional settings by scrolling all the way down, and then what you'll have to look for is reset settings, and then tap on backup and reset, hit reset phone, tap on reset network and Bluetooth settings, enter your lock screen password or verify with your fingerprint and reset your settings. If the issue still persists, then you may have to contact your service provider, as it may be a server side issue. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down